Hello, welcome to another day of Vlogmas, and today is Christmas Eve, yay! Let's see, it's like 2:30 right now. Me and my dad dropped off Tony Lynn this morning, and we went to the gym, and then we came home and basically just chilled. Yeah, anyway, my sister and her boyfriend and her son and her boyfriend's 2 daughters are on the way over here right now. And we're just waiting for them, so I thought I would show you my outfit for today. When I took a shower, I braided my hair, so it's just like random waves. I'm trying not to do a lot of heat to my hair, just because I really want it to grow. If you haven't noticed, my hair has been this length for pretty much a really long time, but yeah, so I'm wearing this cardigan from Forever 21. I love it. It is super duper cozy. And then I have this sweater from PacSun, and then under it I just have a American Eagle tank top under it, just because it's kind of see-through. And then I have on these American Eagle bootleg jeans. I don't have any shoes on right now because I'm chilling in the house, waiting for my sister to get here. But that's what we're up to on this lovely Christmas Eve. I have my red velvet cupcake candle and my Yankee Candle red apple wreath. I have those burning right now, and very chilled day so far.
Hey Dad, vlogging?
Yeah. Well, Ryan, don't compare me to
I think it's recording again.
Give it a present to Sean.
Merry Christmas. You can open them now.
No.
Awesome! Dun 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 dun. Thank you guys.
Is it a Barbie movie?
Yeah, it's a Barbie movie.
Hey,
Oh, is that the new one?
where do you watch it? Where do you play it?
Oh man,
Has legit Barbies in it.
And she can just.
What is it, Zach?
Oh
Show
yeah, I
us.
can beat you at that one. WWE 2014.
It's really a SpongeBob.
Yeah, don't let the cover
I
fool
heard
you.
you.
5 that way. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous! Earrings! Are they earrings? Oh boy! Are these earrings? Plastic? Body spray! Yes. I want to try some on. I'll put it over here so
Yeah.
No. Or smell like it.
You want some butt spray?
Body spray! Does it smell good? Birthday cake. No. Oh. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to my favorite nephew, you.
You're her nephew.
What's that? Love you,
I
monkey.
love the
you,
earrings.
monkey.
I
was just sitting there thinking on the way here I need to do my nails.
I saw that, and I was like, that looks exactly like Missy. So.
Or that.
With crispy hair.
Yeah. That's hot hair.
With what kind of hair?
That's hot hair.
Ooh. I needed some smelly good stuff.
Ooh.
And I didn't know what your favorite one was, so I just got you like 4 of them.
Oh, wow. That's 4 different ones?
Yeah.
Oh, yay. Thanks. Thank you. I love
You want to open your card?
What did you get?
Miss Luke's extensive wrapping job there.
Yeah, sorry about that.
The keys to a new Harley Davidson.
It's a pretty box, though.
Open it.
It's some pretty black paper in it.
Oh, did I forget to put the present?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
A gift card.
A gift card.
A card.
What we do?
So the women in the family, as long as you get us something that smells
Something
good.
that smells good.
Yeah, something that smells good.
This is a thing you plug in the wall.
Oh, yeah. Do you have one of those?
This is like 1,000
Is this the kind that you can put the little torch in?
Uh-huh.
And it has a light to it also.
I've tried one before, but it won't fit my receptacle.
We're
They fall out.
Oh no.
But I'll try it again.
Cool.
Yeah.
Hey, ain't that what Tina Lynn gave me last night?
Yeah, she gave me the shower gel for it. So now I
No,
have
she gave it to me.
Oh yeah, she gave Dad my present.
And this is for my car, right?
Yes. Now I wanted that too. I wanted to buy me one of those.
Oh, thank you.
It's got the different
Frosted
scents in there
cupcake,
also.
Frosted cupcake.
14 earrings.
I love that.
Yeah, I
Counting
think
by
I got 5
twos are
different
14
kinds in
earrings.
there.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, there's another one.
Hey,
One every day for 2
'Cause I
you
figured
go ahead
like
and
your house would
get
smell
some more
good, stuff
holes
like
poked in your ears.
smell good,
Yeah,
too.
thank you.
I got cute something.
There you go.
Follow the elephant.
Oh, let me know that.
It is just funny. That's Morgan, you
what are we doing?
That's what he does. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing now. I'll do it with you later.
Ooga, ooga, ooga.
Just do it.
What the hell are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
We're at the place where we went to last year. That was in my vlog last year. And it's a whole bunch of Christmas lights and a big fire over there. And they're shooting off fireworks sometime, I think. But yeah. How cold are you?
I'm not cold yet. How cold are you?
We just came out here and I'm cold. And Mom is convinced that is money, but it's
No,
not.
I see now it's something. It's a coupon from Subway.
She asked me like 10 times, is this money? Is this money? I'm like, no, Mom, it's not money. She's like, are you sure? I'm like, yeah, it's not money. It's not money. But, yeah, this house, like, decks out every Christmas, and they get all fancy, and they got lights, like, everywhere. And they play music and shoot fireworks and all that fun stuff. Back home now. Mom, how's the fireworks?
Oh, very pretty, very noisy, very cold.
It was very cold. I'm still like freezing right now. But we're home now, and we're baking because we're going to my aunt's house tomorrow for Christmas. And we're baking a what is this thing called?
Oreo cookie cake.
Oreo cookie cake, and I'll show you the finished results. But my job right now is to take some Oreos, put them in a bag, and beat them. But I'm drinking my juice. I don't know how you pronounce this at all. The Suja. I don't know. I know people are gonna correct me, but yeah, I'm done with this. I'm kind of sad about it, but this is all I have left. Yeah, so I'm gonna drink that now and crush some cookies. So we just got these out of the oven, and they're peanut butter cookies. And now we're gonna try to put these Hershey Kisses in here. Alright, so how do you do it? Do you do it, look this way or the other way?
That way. Well, not that far down.
So we finished all the cookies, and we all had one, and they were pretty good. What were they, Mom?
Yes, very good.
How was your Christmas Eve?
Very
good. Did you
good.
enjoy yourself?
Yes, how about you?
Good. What was your favorite part?
The
The whole day. You can name one thing.
whole day. Seeing the grandchildren and Misty.
Oh.
What was your fun part?
I don't know. Probably the fireworks and seeing family. Have you had a good Christmas Eve?
Yes, I have.
What was your favorite part of the whole day? If you had to pick one thing.
Being with family.
Cheater.
I'm not a cheater.
Yes, that's the best part. Christmas being with family. And we got to see a lot of our family today, which was awesome because there was some other family there at the fireworks that we never see. So tomorrow's Christmas, and
It's not far away. It's 10:30 in the night.
10:30. It's gonna be Christmas in like an hour and a half. But tomorrow we're just gonna open presents and eat lunch, and we're going to my aunt's house tomorrow night to see family there. And I probably won't vlog just because it'd be kind of awkward to vlog with my whole family there. But yep, I will talk to you later, and thank you for watching this vlog. Bye. Look it right at the camera.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Go.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas!